MCB for U1, Chapter 5, Session 11. In this session, we are working on Section 5.5 from the textbook, the derivative of tangent of x. We know tangent of x is sine of x over cosine of x. Therefore, derivative of function y equals sine of x over cosine of x is cosine of x times cosine of x, derivative of numerator times denominator itself, minus derivative of denominator times numerator itself divided by denominator to the power of 2. This is going to be the same as 1 over cosine squared of x, using the fact that sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x, the numerator of the fraction is 1. Therefore, derivative of tangent of x with respect to x is secant squared of x. Similarly, we can say derivative of y equals cotangent of x is y prime equals negative cosecant squared of x. If we apply chain rule, derivative of tan of f of x with respect to x would be derivative of tan of f of x with respect to f of x times derivative of f of x with respect to x, which is the same as secant squared of f of x times derivative of f of x with respect to x. Derivative of y equals tan of f of x is f prime of x secant squared of f of x. Let's find derivative of sine of x plus tangent of x to the power of 4. If we use power rule for functions, derivative would be 4 times 1, which is 4, sine of x plus tan of x to the power of 3, times derivative of the function inside bracket, derivative of sine of x plus tan of x, which is cosine of x plus secant squared of x. Next example is product rule, derivative of x tan of 2x minus 1. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of tan of 2x minus 1 is 2 secant squared of 2x minus 1. Therefore, derivative of the function is 1 times tan of 2x minus 1 plus x secant squared of 2x minus 1 times 2. In summary, we learned derivative of tangent of x is secant squared of x, and derivative of tangent of f of x is secant squared of f of x times f prime of x. Next session, we are working on questions from exercise 5.5, question 1, part C and F, question 6, and question 8. Thanks for watching.